What's going on, YouTube? Alright, I'm gonna try to knock out a few locks. So let's see what I can do. But before that, Discord, check it out. It's in the description. I'm also going to be picking a Bill Bacardi lock. If you haven't checked him out, his channel's going to be in the description also, along with my email address if you want to do trades or just shoot the breeze. But alright, so I'm going to be doing a Bill Bacardi lock, like I said. This one is Bill Bacardi 220. Yeah, I see the lines in the screen. I don't know how well that's going to come out once I post it. So, we're going to try this out. Hopefully, it's not too bad. So, key works perfectly. And he says, do not turn 180 and to use a shim. So, we'll see if I can even get it open. I did pick it once because I'm out of practice. We'll see if I can pick it again. So, we are going to be using a vise that's in frame. And here we are. We'll be picking about like that, hopefully. Now we're going to go this way. I'm using a deforced diamond and 18 thousandths. Alright, that was number 6, gave me a slight turn. 5 feels good. 4 gave me a small click. Now I want that 15 thousandths. I'm dragging just a little bit in there. This one is a Peterson gem. So he's got number 6 has got a little bit of counter. Felt like I overset it. Alright, there's a good turn on the core, and that was off of 3, I believe. 1 gave me a click and a little bit more turn. And this, I believe, is for the... Can't tell if that's turn. Feels like it. We're gonna go with it. See what happens. Alright, got a click. And I lost the full set. Yeah, no, that was an overset. Alright, let's try the other way. That was 1. 4. And another slight click off of that one. Yeah. It's 2. like click off of 5, I believe. And there's a good deep falset. Let's see. What's talking? It's gotta be number 4. I think it's number, yeah, it's number 4. Good deep falset there. Got a slight movement out of number 6. I think this gem is just about shot. Doesn't have a whole lot of lift left to it. And number 6 keeps clicking, but nothing out of it. Number 6 feels like it keeps wanting to go. Could be wrong. That was 4. I'm guessing it's going to open on a T-pin because he's saying to use a shim. Number 3 feels good. Or 4. Oh, nope, I missed. Counted somewhere. Number 6. Alright. Picking off the ledge, number 6 doesn't give me any counter. Picking off the bottom, it does. Alright, let's see what that does. And we're open. Wow. 8 minutes. Oh, a little less than that. You'll have to listen to me talk about Discord and everything else first. Alright, so okay, I got a shim. Get my clip remover that Bronx Lockpicker 60 made. I think there we are. Let's say I think I might have to pull the screwdriver out for that one, but luckily not. Let's see, turn it on a 45. Let's see here. Will the shim go in there? Might be time for a new shim. Or at least a trim up if I have scissors nearby. Alright, we're going to use one of my printed plug followers. I have got no idea where, I don't remember where I got the drawing from, or else I would give credit to the person who made them. There's that. And key. All the pins are in and working. I really hope that those black lines do not show up in the video. Very nice, wide serrations. Standard. Another standard. It's unlike him. Another very nice serrated and standard. Threading in 1. Looks like a bit of countermilling in 4, threading in 5, and countermilling in 6. I'll grab a pick to make sure. Now it looks like manufacturing. If it is countermilling, it's very slight. Alright. Number 1 is a standard. There's that T-pin. Number 2, very nice T-pin. Number 3 is another standard. A lot of those in this lock. Very nice, very sharp spool. Tiny, tiny little spring behind that. Another standard in number 5. Looks like this might be a pin and pin. And it is. Separate that out. Alright, anything done up top? Nope. Top is all stock. Alrighty. Very nice pins from Bill Bacardi on a very crummy tray. One of my rejects that I use. Hopefully that's turning out good. I can't hardly see the camera. Alright folks, check me out on Discord. Well, not just me, but everyone else. We got people joining every few days, or a couple of people a day almost anymore. But until next time folks, keep it legal, and yeah, check out Bill Bacardi and Discord.